This is the first video where I'm going to talk to you about my complete profile that helped me make it to IIM Ahmedabad. इसके पहले मैंने कभी भी अपने कंप्लीट प्रोफाइल के बारे में बात नहीं किया था बिकॉज आई यूज टू थिंक दैट इट कैन बी डिमोटिवेटिंग टू समवन एज वेल बिकॉज 99 परसेंटाइल पे भी कॉल नहीं आ रही है सो हमारा क्या होगा कैट प्रिपरेशन डिटेल हो जाएगा आई यूज टू थिंक एंड नाउ देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर कैट सो इट्स अ गुड टाइम टू मेक दिस वीडियो एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई विल स्ट्रांगली अर्ज इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कैट just focus on that. CAT score is the single most important factor that helps you crack very good B schools, and different B schools will have different admission criteria and you just need to crack one good B school. सारे B schools में admission मिले आपको या फिर सारे B schools से आपको shortlist आए ज़रूरी नहीं है because ultimately you are going to study in just one good B school. मुझे IIM Bangalore से shortlist भी नहीं आई थी even at 99.91 percentile, but the catch is it does not matter. So if you're new to this channel, let me tell you about myself. A lot of people here would already know about at least my CAT journey. So I had scored 99.21 percentile in CAT 17. I did not have calls from many of the good B schools. Some of the top IIMs, yes, I did have, but not IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. So I had appeared for CAT again after working for around 11 months. I had appeared for CAT 18 where I scored 99.91 percentile, and there I happened to convert almost all the B schools, but yes, CAT 18 as well, I did not have call from IIM Bangalore, and that is when most of the people like started asking that at 99.91 percentile as well, IIM Bangalore does not call you. So what exactly is the criteria? Why does it happen? Why it's not calling even at 99 percentile? So for them the criteria is not only the CAT percentile. As I said, different B schools के different criteria होते हैं. So IIM Bangalore का भी कुछ ऐसा criteria था for graduation marks, work experience जहाँ मैं fit नहीं होता था, and despite scoring a very good percentile, because of other components I was not eligible for shortlisting. So let me quickly start with my academic profile. In class 10th I had 96.8 percentage. In class 12th I had 95.25 percentage. So 10th and 12th were definitely pretty good. But in graduation, that is my undergraduation CGPA was 8.1 CGPA. However, that translated to only 74.47 percentage. And whenever you have less than 75 percentage, then that starts mattering. In any of the component, if you have less than 75, it matters. But as I said, not in every B school, only in the specific B schools it matters. And I'll tell you why I did not have a call from IIM Bangalore because of this particular category. But let me complete my profile as well. Before CAT 18, I also had 11 months of work experience, but the catch is that work experience actually does not help me in shortlisting, because by the time you fill the CAT form, you already fill the CAT form in the month of June of the previous year. यानी कि अगर आप CAT 24 के लिए appear करने वाले हो, that is you will appear in the month of November 24 and you will get admission in 2025, but you have to fill the CAT form in June of 2024 itself, which meant जब मैंने CAT दिया था, मैंने fill किया था form around June 2028, तब मेरे पास 1 month of work experience ही था, even less than 1 month, so that was also counted as 0. So इसका मतलब है कि अगर आप final year में हो या फिर आपने just work start किया है and you have just completed like 1 or 2 months, then also your work experience will be counted as 0 only. So आप effectively ले सकते हो I did not have any work experience by the time I was appearing for CAT. So here first let me address that question that why I did not have a call from IIM Bangalore even at 99.91 percentile. So पहले तो जब मैं appear कर रहा था CAT के लिए तब IIM Bangalore का criteria different था and graduation marks में बहुत ज़्यादा weightage था, and that's why obviously that was a disadvantage for me. And एक और जो weightage था शायद अभी भी है, that is on work experience in IIM Bangalore. And as I said, even though I had 11 months of work experience before I joined my B school, but while filling the CAT form I had 0 months of experience, so that's why it was counted as 0. So obviously that was also a disadvantage for IIM Bangalore for me. काफी सारे और B school में what they do is they collect the topper marks from your university as well, and they have that data as well, and they will only compare your percentile that you have scored in your particular university. So different B schools का criteria different होता है, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आप किसी एक B school में disadvantage पे हो तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगले B school में भी आप disadvantage पे रहोगे. Example in this case IIM Indore बहुत ज़्यादा stress देते हैं 10th and 12th marks को. So that is why मुझे कितना भी percentile आता, even at 97, 98 percentile, मुझे IIM Indore का call easily आ जाता. That was because of my 10th and 12th marks. एंड येस, ग्रेजुएशन मार्क्स, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ओनली फैक्टर्स नहीं होते हैं, आपके एकेडमिक स्कोर्स लिए जाते हैं, उसके बाद वर्क एक्सपीरियंस लिया जाता है, उसके बाद कैट 17 में इफ यू रिमेंबर आई डिड नॉट हैव कॉल फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ IIM ABC, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप 99.21 स्कोर करते हो या फिर लोअर 99 पे स्कोर करते हो आपको भी कॉल नहीं आएगा. देयर आर सम अदर फैक्टर्स एज वेल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉज अ जेम कैंडिडेट विच मीन्स जनरल इंजीनियर मेल, एंड अगर आप ऑब्वियसली जानते हो जनरल कैंडिडेट, सो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पर रिजर्वेशन नहीं होती है, सो यू हैव टू स्कोर अ लिटिल बिट हायर. उसके साथ साथ रहती है इंजीनियरिंग कैंडिडेट, सो एकेडमिक डाइवर्सिटी पॉइंट्स मिलती है लोगों को. इफ़ यू आर अ नॉन इंजीनियर यू विल गेट दैट पॉइंट. सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एप्लीकेबल नहीं है ये चीज़, बट सर्टेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ डू गिव एकेडमिक डाइवर्सिटी पॉइंट्स, 5 परसेंटेज पॉइंट ज़्यादा देते हैं फॉर इफ़ दे आर अ नॉन इंजीनियर. एंड IIM अहमदाबाद में अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांटेज आ जाता है, बिकॉज यू आर competing with only your particular domain, only with your particular stream, and that is commerce वाले commerce के साथ fight कर रहे हैं, engineer वाले engineer के साथ fight कर रहे हैं. So you will get a lot of examples from IIM Ahmedabad who have even received a call at 90 percentile. So you have to keep that in mind कि मेरी story ज़रूरी नहीं है आपकी story होगी, different criteria होता है, so obviously you can fit in one of those criteria as well. But मैं engineer था, so obviously I did not have that academic diversity points as well. Last obviously male, there is something called gender diversity as well. So उस वहाँ पर भी I think सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में नहीं है, but 5-10 परसेंटेज पॉइंट्स होता है in depending on the university that you are applying for. So वहाँ पर भी obviously I had scored 0. So ये complete जो disadvantage रहता है obviously मेरे प्रोफाइल में था, and ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पता नहीं था ये बात. Obviously I knew about this particular thing and बहुत clear था कि मुझे IIM बैंगलोर से तो कॉल नहीं आने वाले unless I am in the top 10 और top 15 of the CAT applicants. ये भी क्लियर था शायद IIM अहमदाबाद से भी कॉल नहीं आए unless and until I score above 99.9 परसेंटाइल. बट ये भी क्लियर था कि शायद अच्छा परसेंटाइल लाने से IIM कैलकाटा से कॉल आ जाएगा, FMS से कॉल आ जाएगा, IIM इंदौर से कॉल आ जाएगा, इवन इफ आई हैव 96 परसेंटेज. तो वो काइंड ऑफ मेरे लिए एडवांटेज भी आप बोल सकते हो. काफ़ी लोगों को 99.9 पे भी IIM इंदौर का कॉल नहीं आता है, बट मुझे 96 पे आ जाता. सो ये काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया रहते हैं. सो इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग यू शुड कंप्लेन अबाउट, बट ऑब्वियसली यू शुड हैव समथिंग इन द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड. बट एट द सेम टाइम रिमेंबर कि आप अगर अच्छे कैट परसेंटाइल स्कोर कर लेते हो देन ऑब्वियसली देयर आर बी स्कूल्स लाइक IIM कैलकाटा, FMS, MDI, एक्सेलराई होता है ZAT स्कोर से. तो ये सब कुछ बी स्कूल्स होते हैं where you score a good CAT or ZAT score and you can get admission into them, and that is what matters. If you just need one good B school, and that was the only motivation that helped me sail through. Next, coming to the last component, that is extracurricular activities. So extracurricular activities does not matter a lot during the shortlisting stage at least. Yes, कोई भी स्कूल में मैटर करता है, like IIM कोईकोर में एक 15% component resume points पे है, so there it might matter a little bit. SP Jain profile based calls निकालता है, so there obviously the profile matters, the extracurricular activities does matter. ISB जो कि GMAT के थ्रू होता है, तो there the extracurricular activities can matter, but most of the other B schools में shortlisting stage में ऐसा कोई criteria नहीं है for extracurricular activities. Yes, but it can matter during the interview stage. The interviewer might give you extra points, or there might be a component for your extracurricular activities, any activity that you have done apart from academics. हो सकता है it's also a good point to talk about it in the interview, and it's easier to impress the interviewer if you have got some points, or if you have got some activities and done something apart from academics as well. Like in my case, मेरी extracurricular activity profile कुछ ज़्यादा extraordinary नहीं थी. I had few medals in sports here and there. कुछ case competitions I did win, कुछ Olympiads I had won. उसके साथ साथ कुछ social profile strong थी maybe. That is, I had volunteered for certain NGOs and had taken certain initiatives for certain NGOs as well. So that might have helped during the interview. But ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कोई brownie points मिला होगा, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कोई मैंने sports state, national या फिर international level पे खेला हो. So definitely that is something that it would not have worked in my favor. But what matters more is how you portray yourself in the interview. Once you make it to the interview, I really think that everyone has an equal chance, because personal interview का weightage होता है 50%. So आपका personality कैसा है, आपका communication कैसा है, आप अगर वो ठीक रख लो, so rest of the things will not matter to that extent. So that was all about my profile before I made it to the B school. But one thing I really want you all to understand is, first, do not complain about any criteria. Complain करने से just crib करने से कि ये criteria ऐसी है and that's why I did not get. A lot of people crib about that someone else will take their seat because of this criteria, that criteria. वो करने से किसी को फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, nothing will change as well. So you should only focus on your particular profile and how you can convert it. याद रखना, a lot of people with your profile are converting it. So if they can convert, you can convert as well. That should be your motivation. जब मुझे 99.21 percentile के बाद वापस CAT के लिए appear करना पड़ा था and a lot of people did make it at even lower percentile, obviously I felt bad about it. But there was one thing, I could not have done anything about it. The only thing possible was score a higher percentile. If other people have done it with my profile and even at worse profile compared to mine, then obviously I should also be able to do it. That should be your motivation as well. So please stick to it, and that's it from my side in this particular video. I hope you will take only motivation from this particular video. So see you in the next one.